it's Acoustic Paint.
I'm Kathleen.
And I'm Elizabeth.
And today we are going to be making slime. So we have never done this before, so it's a new experience. Should be pretty fun.
We're a little late on the
trend, but it's still going.
Slime trend.
So we're planning on doing a violet one, and I don't even know how to say this. We're going to be using half a tablespoon of baking soda, a whole 4-ounce thing of Elmer's glue, and then we have some
saline solution.
Yeah,
eye contact.
That's gonna be a whole tablespoon. So we're gonna do that, and I guess we'll just color how much acrylic paint we want when we need it.
Yeah.
So let's get started. Yeah, looks like slime. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I've never done it.
Just go for it.
Now I'm gonna mix it and then get paint all over this. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it this color while I have something consistent. Alright, so I have made my slime. I actually really like it, and I think it is a great first slime. And the color's sticking. I just washed my hands. You see I still have paint on them, but it's not going anywhere, and I think the color is really mixed in. So that's my successful slime. We're gonna see if Elizabeth can make her slime. Alright, so I think our slime making was a success. We both have really nice colored and feeling slime. If you want to use a recipe, feel free. It'll be in our description box down below. And yeah, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And have a fabulous day.
Bye!
There we go.
Never fear, we have plenty of glue. It's a terrible noise.
We're great YouTubers. Okay.
Add the tubers or potatoes.
Okay, can you just open one? I just need to...
Whoops. Okay.
Alright, so I think our slime making was a success. We both have really nice slime. If you want to use a recipe, feel free. It'll be in our description down below. And yeah, that was the worst sound. Nice.